V-Ismart.
Alexa, turn on curtain light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on L1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on L2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on L3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on L4.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on L5.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on L6.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on track light.
Okay.
Alexa, open curtain.
Okay.
So wow, amazing. So this is the V-Ismart home automation. So if you want anything required home automation solutions, please contact the below contact numbers. So we are always 24/7 will help you for your new house automation service. Alexa, close curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, stop curtain.
Curtain doesn't support that.
So this curtain, it will be supported voice based and mobile app and scheduling based, and also it will be controlled with NFC, near field communication. So there are many more applications to control your curtain light with curtain motor and curtain track, and middle also it will be stop and everything. Alexa, close curtain.
Okay.
So like that. So this is the very amazing applications. We are also providing 5 to 6 company motors. The motors also, it will be available 5 years of guarantee, not warranty. It will be piece to piece guarantee for the 5 years. So thank you for contacting, and thank you for viewing for V-Ismart home automation videos. Thank you so much.